Hello everyone and welcome back. So today in this session we will be discussing again an important topic of English grammar, that is degrees of comparison. So earlier we have already discussed what adjectives are. Adjectives are basically words which give more information, or we can say they modify a noun, right? And there are different kinds of adjectives as well. So adjective of quality has three levels. I repeat, adjective of quality has three levels which we call degrees of adjective. So those three levels are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In positive degree, no comparison is drawn, only the quality is mentioned. In comparative degree, a comparison between two is there. So remember, there's always a comparison between two, maybe two people, two things, or maybe two groups, but the number is 2. And in superlative degree, the comparison is with many, right? And as the name indicates, superlative degree, that is the degree of the highest level, highest order. Now let us understand this with the help of examples. So Rohan is a tall boy. Here only the quality is mentioned and no comparison is drawn, right? So tall, here we would say that the adjective tall is in positive degree. In the next sentence, we see Karan is taller than Rohan. So we can see a comparison between two, that is Karan and Rohan, right? A comparison is drawn. So obviously this is comparative degree. Comparative degree. And the third level, the third degree is the superlative degree. We can see it with the help of this example. Pavan is the tallest of the three. So here the adjective tallest is in superlative degree. Superlative degree. So I hope the three levels, the three degrees are clear to everyone. The first level is positive degree, where no comparison is drawn. The second level is comparative degree, where a comparison between two is there. And the third level is superlative degree, where a comparison is drawn with many. Now let us proceed further and understand the rules of changing the adjectives from positive degree to comparative and superlative degree. Now let us see the rules one by one. So the first rule says we add ER in comparative degree and EST in superlative degree. For example, if the base word is clean, CLEAN. Now in comparative degree we will add ER, which makes cleaner, right? CLEANER. And in superlative degree we will add EST, which would make the word cleanest, CLEANEST. Moving on to the second rule, words ending with Y. So here we have to keep in mind two things, a vowel and a consonant. If a word ends with Y and there is a consonant before Y, in that case the letter Y gets changed into I, and then ER is added in comparative degree and est is added in superlative degree. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. Suppose the word is easy. So the last alphabet is Y, which is preceded by a consonant. So here we have a consonant. So in that case, when the word easy changes to comparative and superlative degree, this Y will change into I, right? And then ER is added in comparative degree and EST in superlative degree. So the word becomes EASIER, easier, and EASIEST. So I hope this is very clear with everybody. We just have to keep in mind the alphabet Y and a consonant before Y, and in case of vowels the Y remains unchanged. For example, G-A-Y, gay, which means happy. So here the word ends with Y and there is a vowel before Y. So in that case, Y would remain the same, and in comparative degree the word will be G-A-Y-E-R, gear, and G-A-Y-E-S-T. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Now let us proceed to the third rule. The third rule says if a word ends with E, now since that E is already there, we do not add another E, right? We just add R in comparative degree and ST in superlative degree. As for example, P-U-R-E, pure. Now the word ends with E only. So when we change it into comparative and superlative degree, we will not add another E. We will just add R in comparative degree and ST in superlative degree. So P-U-R-E-R, purer, and P-U-R-E-S-T, purest. Now, moving on to the fourth rule. So, the fourth rule says if a word has a short vowel in between. I repeat, if there is a short vowel in between, in that case, the last alphabet gets doubled. Let's see this with the help of an example. Hot. So we always say hot. We don't extend the vowel which is there in the center. We don't stress on this vowel O. We don't say hot. We simply say hot. So the sound of this vowel which is there in the center of the word in between, it's a short vowel, not a stressed one, not a stretched one rather, right? So in that case, the last letter will get double. So in comparative degree, it would become hotter, that is double T. And in superlative degree, it would be hottest, again double T. So we double the last letter and then add ER in comparative degree, and the same thing, double the letter and then EST in superlative degree. I hope these rules are clear. Now let us proceed to the next rule. The next rule, that is rule number 5, says if a word has more than one syllable, right? That is, let's see an example. So, the word beautiful. So this word beautiful can be broken into 3 parts, isn't it? Beautiful. So we would say that the word beautiful has 3 syllables. 1, 2, 3. So in that case, the words, such words which have more than one syllable, these words do not take ER in comparative and superlative degree. Here we add more and most. So beautiful becomes more beautiful in comparative degree and most beautiful in superlative degree. So here we have to see how many syllables are there in the word. Another example we can say intelligent. So intelligent again has more than one syllable. Intelligent. So there are 4 syllables here. So in such case again we will say more intelligent and most intelligent. So I hope this rule is clear. And now moving on to the last rule. There are some irregular adjectives which completely change their form. Let's see an example. Good. We would never say good, gooder, goodest, isn't it? We would always say good, better, best. So we see that the word good is completely changing its form in comparative degree as well as in superlative degree. Another example can be taken as say bad, badder, baddest. We never say that, isn't it? So bad, worse, worst. So we see the word is completely changing its form. So such words, such adjectives are called irregular adjectives. So I hope all the rules are very clear to everyone, and with this I wind up my session. We'll be meeting again in the next session with some other topic. Thank you so much.